Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you a great tip on how to apply best practice to subtract one solid from another in an assembly while avoiding the need to create awkward and complicated projected sketches and fragile adaptivity. So now as you can see here in this model, wait a second, something with my mouse doesn't work right. Maybe it's going to work now. No, it does not. Now it's working. Okay. So back, you can see this model. I have this box that I've created, and I have now this, kind of a cylinder or a stick, whatever you want to call it, supposed to go through it. I haven't created anything yet beside these two, and I put the one on top of the other. You see I can still move it. There is no hole. So let's see how we're gonna do it. Okay, let's say I want to have it in this position here. So what normally we're gonna do is we're just gonna create a sketch on top of this part here, and we're gonna project the cylinder here, and then create also some clearances. And then we're gonna go back and we're gonna extrude it, and we're gonna cut all the way to the other side. But there is another way to do it, and that's what I'm gonna show you. What we're gonna use today is the combine tool, it's this one, and the press pull tool. Both of them together are extremely powerful if you know how to use them, and really just it's all about your imagination. So we're gonna start. We know that we want to cut a hole through this box. So this is gonna be our target body, and the tool to cut it, it's gonna be this one, this cylinder. And we know that we want to cut, so we're gonna choose cut. And of course, we want to keep it. We don't want it to disappear. And then we're just gonna click OK. So now we have the hole inside. We cut it, and we also want to have some clearance, so we can put it in. You can go through it. So we're gonna use the press and pull. But before we can do it, it will be much easier just to turn this one off, and now we can come here and I can go a little bit closer, and I'm gonna mark this one, and here also in the other side, and I'm gonna say 0.25 minus, sorry, it's adding, subtracting, minus 0.25. It should be enough. But actually in this example, maybe I'm going to give it some more so you can see it much better. And then we press OK, turn it back on, and voila. So we have created the hole, and we also created some clearances, as you can see. But what's really amazing in this technique is, look what happened now while I'm dragging the. In order for that to happen, you need to turn on the sketch. We're actually dragging the sketch wherever we want, and everything follows. So let's just say we started in some point, but then we're thinking, it's not there. I wanted to move it a little bit. Then you can just play with it, and everything moves. You don't have to change anything with the sketches and dimension or anything else. Why in this situation, you can just move it. It's very, very simple. And then if I'm gonna see it turn off, you see it's still here. Because it's not really the body, it's mostly the sketch here. We are moving, it's not the body. Because if, for example, I will turn off the sketch now and I'm gonna try to move it, the hole is still here. It's not moving. So remember that in order to play with it, you have to turn on the sketch, and then you can move it wherever you want. Now let's see another example. So now I've created this amazingly beautiful chair, and I'm gonna connect both sides together, yeah, with some kind of a stick or whatever you're gonna call it. And yeah, the same. I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna click on, let's just see how I already made this. I can see. So we can just, delete this one and delete this one. Okay. Now, so we're just gonna click on combine. Our target body, it's this one. Our tool body, it's this one. It's cut, keep tools, and we click OK. Now we need to make another hole in the other side. So we click on again combine. This is our target. This is our tool, and we click OK. So now we have holes on both sides. You cannot, you know what, let's just make it a little bit longer so you can see it actually going through. Voila. And we want to create a little bit clearance so we can, put it through. So we go to the, again, press and pull. We're going to remove it for now. And we're gonna go inside here and inside this one here. And then I'm gonna choose -0.25 and press OK. Turn it back on, and voila. And now again, if we want to play with it, to move it around, we turn back on the sketch. See, if I'm gonna hold here, it's still nothing happened. So we need to come here to the sketch, sorry. Remove the sketch, and then everything moves with it. And it's good because you can also control it through parametric modeling, which means I can say, you know what, you can go to the sketch and then we can dimension it. We can say, well, you know what, I want the distance to this one here. It's gonna be, I don't know, 6 millimeter, for example, yes. And then it's gonna be here in 6 millimeter. That's it. And then the only thing you will be able to do is just to drag it up and down. But let's see here what's happening. Let's revert it. Okay, it's between this one and this one, so it's better to take something that it's more fixed. So if we, for example, I just say this one between this one, it's happening because the legs, they are not dimensioned, they're not fixed in one place. That's why I can play with it. See, now I cannot move it because it's fixed. But we can right click on the sketch, show dimension. So I can basically control it from here, change it to 50 or yeah, whatever you need. And change also the size here, the diameter, you can change, let's say, to 10. And everything is changing with it. You see also the clearance, the hole, everything changed. So you don't have to make a lot of sketches in order to create the hole and the clearance. Yep, so that's it for now. And if you have any question regarding to this, you tried it didn't work out, just let me know, put it down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and press the thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.